In this Profit app review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's going to allow you to easily create mobile apps that you can use for yourself or even sell to other businesses. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to be showing you all the OTOs and upgrades so you'll know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a seven-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deal on upcoming software courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out ProfitApp, just go ahead and click the link below. Also, please like this video as it really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of special bonuses for you, including resell rights to previously released softwares. All these bonuses are going to be waiting for you inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says create unlimited iOS and Android mobile apps at a low one-time price. Brand new cloud mobile app maker lets you create unlimited mobile apps for iOS and Android within minutes, and all with zero coding, zero monthly fees, and zero experience. So essentially what this allows you to do is within the dashboard, you can just put in your website URL and create a mobile app with it. And you can do this for businesses as well. So if there are local businesses around you that are in need of having a mobile app, which I mean, everyone's on their phone nowadays, this is a service that you can sell to them and you don't have to be a coder in order to do that. It's really easy to do. Just log into their software. You just use one of their done for you templates and drag and drop editor. Just put the URL in there, publish your app with one click, and you can sell it to local and online businesses. Like, as again, that commercial license is included right on the front end. Now, they show here some sales that they made. This isn't from selling apps here. This is from their sales accounts here. So let's not buy this based upon this right here. Let's buy, if we're going to buy this, let's buy it based upon what it does, not on the flashy income proof that they have here. You can see here, it says Apple itself is so proud of their app store. They promote it everywhere. It's because everyone wants to have apps. Everyone's using different apps on their devices. You probably have a bunch of apps installed on your phone, whether it's an iOS or Android as well, because everyone likes to use them. They're really easy to use for your businesses here. Now, I'm going to show you a quick demo in a second here, but I just wanted to go down here. Inside you have the cloud-based system, compatible on all the devices, drag and drop editor, templates, commercial license. You can turn any website into a fully fledged mobile app. You don't have to pay a developer to do it for you. Designed by marketers for marketers. Built it in training. You can send unlimited app notifications. Now, this is the cool thing. You can actually have notifications show up on people's phones. So imagine having someone have their, like, downloading your business or your customers' business's app on their phone and then being able to send notifications right from inside the software to that person's phone and have that notification show up on their phone. That's for me, that's one of the coolest parts of this. So let me just go down here. I'm not going to look at all this here, but like I said, cloud-based, yes. Normally it's a monthly fee, but this is a one-time price during this time here. You don't need an Apple or Google developer account to make this work. And it works on all devices. So let me go over really quick. I'm going to show you a quick demo, and then I'll be back to show you the backend area, my backend area, and the OTOs.
Creating an app with ProfitApp is as easy as logging in, going to start building your apps here, and then simply putting in your website. And if we go right here and put in any website, we can see the app right here, and from now on it's completely integrated with ProfitApp. So all we have to do is download the file, upload it into our website, so at https://serappisnow.com, and it's done. We can send notifications, users can download the app on their phones, on their desktops, wherever you want. In ProfitApp you have premium support, premium training, along with 30 plus different app templates, together with a exclusive app builder. Now let's first send a notification, and then let's go into our builder, and we'll also check out some apps we've installed on both an iPad and an Android phone. For example, let's just go here, pick this one and go ProfitApp test. This is so cool. and then we'll just click on send, and then we'll check our Android phone in just a bit. But before checking out any notifications and any apps, let's first see how easy it is to create an app with ProfitApp. So here we just click on import layout, and we have all of these beautiful templates right here. And let's just pick one. Let's pick this one. We just click on import. We get import successful. And then we're hit with this beautiful app and this amazing drag and drop editor. Editing an app is just as easy as accessing the app. As you can see right here, we can edit anything we want. We have all of these cool interactions with our boxes. We can move things around however we see fit. So we can just move this down here without a problem with drag and drop. We can edit the text, we can edit the video, we can do so much with ProfitApp. But what's more exciting is all of the elements you have access to. And if we just go to all, you can see we have thousands of elements you can use immediately, each with its preview, so you can see exactly what you're using. And we have all of them here. So we have banners, bullet lists, content boxes, footers, headers, even caption effects, all done for you to integrate into your own app to make it look as exciting and as modern as possible for your clients. Once you're done, you can just click update, and that's done. Your app is now automatically updated on your users' phones with whatever changes you have done. But let's see how an app looks on an iPad and on an Android phone. Here are two cool app templates side by side on my iPad. Let's quickly access both of them. Here are the two templates side by side. We can scroll through them, we can access them, we can do whatever we want on them. They're side by side and they're perfectly adaptable to my iPad. Everything is interactive. As you can see, I can click on all of the boxes. I can access the links, see any changes that have been done through ProfitApp's interface. These are just two of 35 apps you can create with ProfitApp. So let's switch over to our Android and see if we got that notification. And here I am on my Android. As you can see, pretty much the same thing as on my iPad. Everything is interactive. I can click and interact with anything on my phone. This is just another app out of the 35 you will have access to, apart from the thousands of elements you can use for your apps. And if we check for notifications, we can see right in the notification bar right now that I received the exact message I sent from ProfitApp's interface. Take advantage of this offer right now and I will see you inside.
Okay, really quick here. So I'll show you, this is like, I'm logged in here to the backend area. You can have your apps. You can send your notifications from right here, which is what I talked about before. Just an easy to use. They've got all the different tutorials here. So you can have it all inside of the backend here. Now there are OTOs here. So let's look at those OTOs here. So the first one, it says lock in your own app store, hosting, unlimited lead generation, and premium features. So these are a bunch of premium features for the pro version. Now it's optional, but you might want to consider it. So it has no restrictions on it. All limitations are taken away. You have your own app store, automated hosting, delivery, and payment processing, in-house email autoresponder done for you, automated lead generation, case studies, premium support, built-in analytics, and mobile-first design for this one. So this is the first upgrade that you're going to see. The next one here says this is the enterprise version. With the enterprise version, you're going to get done for you app templates, premium video players. You can sell more than just apps, exclusive cloud-based storage, monetization features, so you can monetize it, in-depth training, auto backup, et cetera, et cetera. So that's the enterprise. Third one here is this is going to give you, let me look at this one. Oh, here we go. Commercial writes the 5 of the top best-selling apps, in-depth profit affiliate marketing training, and done for your SEO optimized ProfitApp software reviews. So this is just another upgrade here. There's 2 more. Now this one is resell rights, so you can sell the software and keep 100% of the profits. And the last one is they're going to give you all of their best-selling present and future products for a one-time price. This is a big one that I know people like as well here. So again, these are all the different OTOs. Pick and choose which ones you want and which ones you don't. So what do I like about ProfitApp and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, I don't like the screenshots on the sales page. I don't like all that hype up stuff there. Fortunately, it's something that we're used to with these type of offers. Like I said before, if you're going to purchase this, purchase it based on what it does, not on the flashy income proof. What do I like about it? Mobile apps are future. Everyone's using them. I've got a ton of them on my phone. The fact that this sends out notifications is really cool. Imagine being able to send a notification for your business or for someone else's business, notifying them of a deal that you have and having them click on that and getting you instant traffic. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at ProfitApp, go ahead and click the link below. Also, please like this video as it really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And if you've made it this far, you might as well hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.